Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Tuesday, the 8th of July. This is your daily recap. It's been very, very quiet day in the market. You can tell here by the SPY, very tight, not a lot of movement, and very tight range. You got a very narrow range candle here today. Is there a lot to read into this candle? Not particularly. We're into summer trading. It's a very slow week in general. There's no economic data. There's no earnings per se. And you have had a lot of tariff talk. The administration has been very active today. Trump um, talked for an hour plus. He's been on social media, and despite all the tariffs, he's saying 70% on some countries, 50% on copper, uh, called on Powell to resign immediately. The market's done nothing. And again, it's ignoring him. And that's what I try to do is I try to ignore the noise and focus. We're still above the 8 day. We haven't broken anything. We have a little bit of a pullback here. And if you really want to get fun with it, you can come in and put a little drawing in here and say, okay, there we go. We need to hold that, right? Nothing going on here. Let's talk about, the market in general here. The Qs, excuse me, the Qs, not much going on, right? Similar. The VIX doing nothing. HYG remains weaker than the markets. That's a little bit of a concern. And bonds also are very weak, so there's some little concerns there. The IWM had a nice day, not back up to where it was. The Dow, not so much. Energy rampage today. I didn't trade it, but nice move there, whether it's Chevron or Exxon Mobil or Oxy. Nice move in energy sector there. It was one of those days. Hood on the open popped and then dropped like a rock back to the 8 day. Palantir had some strength today. Traded Oracle with options today, made real nice money on that, all-time highs there. Bought FCX with a quick scalp on this, on that move up. Nice move on copper off that 50% tariff. The semis here showing some strength here, right back near the all-time highs. NVIDIA got about a buck from it. AMD had a nice move, but the real winner out there today was Intel. Not sure what got its butt on fire, but huge move on Intel trying to break out here. Your big mega tech stock name, cap names, they were just quiet today. Meta sitting here sideways. Microsoft back on the 8 day. I did sell my Amazon calls, the ones I had left. I had sold over half of them earlier. I sold the other half flat. Why? Because candles, it's not breaking out. Big down day today. It's just under the 8 day. Early reports are that Amazon Prime sales are not going well. They're down 14% year over year. This is coming, unconfirmed, but this was as of this morning. So we'll see. Google's having an ugly day here, back on the 200 day. Apple, I sold half my position today after I bought it on the day when it broke out. I trimmed a little more than half my SPY, my QQQ, and I sold half my SNO up there at pre-market at 236.56. It was cleanup day for me. Did a lot of cleaning up here. What else? Boeing's trying to break out, just couldn't quite do it today. What am I missing, guys? Anything here of importance? I mean, the market overall is holding in just fine. It's tired, seasonality is coming up, but right now we're still here, and don't be surprised if we get a move higher here yet. Not much going on. Quiet week. A lot of traders are gone for the summer, especially this week after the July 4th holiday. I'll catch you guys all bright and early tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful evening.